If I told you that you could use AI to write and publish your own travel guidebook, even if you've never written a book before? In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I research, write, and design a travel guide using nothing but Google, Amazon, Nano and Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to find profitable travel guide ideas that actually sell, use AI to create your book outline and content, design a professional-looking book cover, and set yourself up to publish it all from scratch. So let's get started. Step 1. Start with Google. Find the most visited places on Earth. Our first goal is to find a destination that people are already searching for. The easiest way to do that is to ask Google. So here, I'm typing in top most visited places on Earth. The AI overview pops up, and the first result I see is Bangkok, followed by cities like Istanbul, London, Mecca, and Paris. Now this is important. We're not just choosing random places. We're looking for destinations that have a steady stream of travelers every single year. That's what makes a travel guide profitable. So the first city Google gives me is Bangkok. Let's test it. Step 2. Go to Amazon and check demand. Now, open up Amazon, because this is where the real validation happens. Type in Bangkok Travel Guide. Amazon shows about 5,000 results. That's too high. Why? Because it means the market is oversaturated. So we get more specific. I type in Bangkok Travel Guide 2025, and look at that, 1,000 results. That's much better. That tells me there's active interest, but still room for new books. Now let's check the next city just to compare. Type in Istanbul Travel Guide. This one shows around 3,000 results. A bit high again. So we do the same thing, Istanbul Travel Guide 2026. Boom, 909 results. That's within the sweet spot. To be safe, make sure the results are not more than 1,000. Typically, I will suggest 950 below. We also want to confirm that it's not just dominated by big publishers. So look through the first page. You'll notice books from independent publishers. That's exactly what we want. At least 5 independent publishers' books on the first page is a strong signal that smaller creators are actually succeeding here. So we've found our winner, Istanbul Travel Guide 2025. Step 3. Get inspiration from an existing guide. Next, we're going to grab a sample book previously written on this place, just to understand how travel guides are usually structured. Now I'll go to oceanofpdf.com, a free resource library. Search for Istanbul Travel Guide and download any copy you can find. The goal here isn't to copy the content, it's to study the structure. You'll see how most travel guides organize their chapters. They usually start with an introduction to the city, key highlights, travel tips, itineraries, food, culture, and local experiences. That outline gives us a foundation for the book we're about to build with AI. For this Istanbul book, we were only able to find top 10 lists by DK Witness. While this is awesome, this is not exactly the type of travel guide we want to write about. This one focuses on top 10 places across Istanbul. We want to write about various experiences within the country. So let's go back to Amazon, open 3 different books, and look inside. Screenshot their outline. This screenshot is what we give to the AI. Make sure to only open book written by independent publishers. Step 4. Use AI to draft the book outline. Now comes the fun part, using AI to create your own travel guide. Open ChatGPT, start a new chat. In the text area, type this prompt. Hit enter and watch as ChatGPT builds the entire structure for you. Chapter by chapter, you'll instantly have a professional outline ready to expand. Step 5. Generate the book content. Now let's turn the outline into real content. Take your introduction, for example, mine, Welcome to Istanbul. Paste it into ChatGPT with this follow-up prompt. Using the outline above, write Introduction of the Istanbul Travel Guide 2025 in a professional travel writer tone. Blend historical background, modern details, and insider insights. Write in full paragraphs, not lists. Keep the tone engaging and informative. When you generate that, you'll get a polished, ready-to-edit chapter, complete with descriptions, history, and local color. Repeat the same process for the other chapters, and within a few hours, you'll have the entire manuscript written by ChatGPT. Of course, you'll still need to edit it. Paste everything that was written into a Microsoft Word document. Tweak the style, add personal touches, or update details from Google Maps or TripAdvisor to keep it current. Also, while editing, you need to change the dimensions if the MS Word document to 6 by 9 inches. That's the recommended dimensions for travel guidebooks. Watch me as quickly work on a couple of chapters. I forgot to mention this previously. While using ChatGPT, you need to click on the plus in the text area, choose the deep research option. This gives ChatGPT the ability to browse the internet in real time, and you get up-to-date information. Step 6. Design your book cover with Canva plus Nano Banana. Now that your content is ready, let's make it look amazing. First, let's head to Google and ask for iconic places in Istanbul. Based on the result, go to Google's Nano Banana in Google AI Studio. Ask it to help generate the image of the iconic place we got. In this case, we are using the Blue Mosque. Once generated, open Canva, search for Type Istanbul Travel Guide, and choose a template that fits a travel theme. Watch me as I edit the template I choose to fit my taste. I used the blue mosque generated by Nano Banana as the main image in the travel guide. I replaced the mosque in the template. To generate your own image, use Nano Banana. Here's the prompt to create your book cover image. Kindly help generate an iconic image of the blue mosque located in Istanbul. Once the image is ready, upload it to Canva, drop in your title, subtitle, and author name, and adjust the layout. Add finishing touches like font and your brand color. Download it as JPEG. This cover is for Kindle. For paperback, you need to know the page number of your book before you can design the cover for the paperback. Let's assume my paperback has 100 pages. Now head to Google, type Amazon KDP cover calculator. It brings the Amazon website to calculate your cover page. Here is how to fill the form. For binding type, choose paperback. For interior type, choose standard color. For paper type, choose white paper. For reading direction, choose left to right. For measurement units, choose inches. For interior trim size, choose 6 by 9 inches. For page count, write the number of pages of your book. For me, I'm assuming it's 100. Then click Calculate Dimensions. Once it's calculated, use the full cove dimension to design your book. Now you've got a professional cover ready to publish. Step 7. Prepare to publish. And that's it. You've just created a travel guide from scratch using AI. From niche research to writing and design, you've done everything using tools that are 100% free or low cost. Now, you can upload your finished book to Amazon KDP or any self-publishing platform. Remember, it's not about rushing a book out. It's about creating something valuable, well-structured, and evergreen. A guide that people will actually use when planning their trips. So just follow what I'm doing on screen, replicate it for yourself, and here are the things you must keep in mind for while uploading. 1. For the title, avoid keyword stuffing. Amazon will reject your book. Your title must be Istanbul Travel Guide 25 2026, Hidden Gems, Local Secrets, and Insider Tips. 2. If you're new to Amazon, just go on Google and type fake name generator. Use anyone as your author's name, doesn't have to be your real name. 3. For your back-end keywords, use this prompt. I just wrote a book on the title, Istanbul Travel Guide 2025 to 2026, Hidden Gems, Local Secrets, and Insider Tips. Kindly help draft 7 back-end keywords based on user intent while they are looking for a book on this title on Amazon. Avoid keyword stuffing. It will give you 7 back-end keywords to use. 4. For your category, just use the category of the best-selling book on Amazon on the same topic. 5. For pricing, look at the average pricing on the first page. Go with that. For this Istanbul, I will go with $14.99 for paperback and $6.99 for Kindle. Now, once you're done uploading, it's not time to rest. It's time to get reviews. If you can afford to, start running Amazon ads to your books. That's the main reason I was able to make $1K a month on the platform. Another thing I did was get reviews. Go to platforms like Pubbly, link is pubbly.co, Book Bounty. Get at least 5 to 10 reviews on your book while running ads to them. You're guaranteed to make sales. So that's how I find profitable travel guide niches and turn them into real AI-powered books. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which city you want to write on. Maybe Paris, Tokyo, or Dubai. Now here's a view showing you how I use Gemini Storybook to make money on Amazon. See you in the next one.